Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll delve into GeoPandas, one of the most important Python libraries for working with geospatial data. According to the official documentation, GeoPandas is an open source project that makes working with geospatial data in Python easier by combining the capabilities of pandas and Shapely. To put it simply, it lets us do all the cool stuff we love about pandas, but with maps and spatial data. Installing GeoPandas is as easy as typing pip install GeoPandas. Doing that will install these cool libraries. Or if you want a broader set of extra libraries, you can install GeoPandas all in brackets. So that would install these extra libraries. These libraries will allow us to read files, handle projections, and run spatial operations. Once that's installed, you are ready to dive in. GeoPandas builds upon Pandas data frame and series by giving us geodata frame and geoseries. This tool allows us to store, visualize, and run spatial operations on geometry features, aside all the usual Panda operations. As we pointed out, GeoPandas makes it easy to read geospatial data. It supports common vector formats like GeoPackage, GeoJSON, and shapefiles, among others. To read a file, GeoPandas has the aptly named readFile method. This method automatically detects various vector file formats. First, we import GeoPandas, and then we read the file. The file needs to be in your current directory. If it's not, then you have to put the full path name of where the file is located. In order to get the first 5 results, we use the .head method. So this will print out a geodata frame. You notice that there's a geometry column at the very end of the geodata frame. This is where the shapes are stored. We can also do something cool by plotting this geodata frame very quickly using the .plot method. Just like that, we have a very simple, nice map to go with our geospatial data. So that will be it for our first delve into GeoPandas. Again, if you found this video helpful, please, I would ask you to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss the next one. Have a great day, stay curious, stay practical, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.